Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and today I wanted to do a video review for the Mohawk anti-slip rug pad. So in this video, I'll kind of give you an idea of how much padding we actually got. I'll go through and talk a little bit about some of the options you have with this, and then I'll show you how I'm going to actually go about cutting this for a rug that I've got here. So this particular rug, we bought quite a bit of this padding, assuming that we were going to be using this for many different rugs that we have throughout our home. This is actually the first rug that I'm going to be cutting it for. This is a custom rug that I actually had made, and I have this laid out in front of one of our TV spaces in one of my retro video game rooms that I've got set up here in the house. And more or less, I just laid this out right on the corners, so I'm probably going to leave a little bit of a gap of probably about an inch or so, and then I'll just cut with scissors all along the edge. Both sides of this actually can be used for dual purpose. So if you have carpets in your home and you're laying a rug on top of those carpets, this surface can actually be used for the carpet side. And then you also have the opposite side here, which is going to be really good for hardwoods, laminate, anything like that that's more of a hard surface based floor. This kind of has like a almost like rigid feel to it. So if you're moving this around on the floor, it's going to prevent the carpet from moving around. This particular carpet I actually had laid out here in this game room space I have here off of my garage. This formerly was a garage bay that was converted, and we have this video game space, and normally I lay the carpet here. I have a couple of speaker wires running across the floor, so currently the carpet will cover those. But often this is a high traffic area because people are walking through here. I've got arcade machines and stuff. People will walk through this area very commonly, and that carpet gets shifted around a lot. So this is going to be a perfect solution to actually prevent that from happening. Additionally, I may even use some rug tape on top of it, so it just further enhances it, so that way it's not going to move around, and it will also help better conceal those speaker wires. So I think if you're looking for something like this, this is a good bet. You can get it in different sizes. This is the 1/4 inch size, so you can see the thickness here, about 1/4 of an inch. You can get it thicker, and I believe even thinner as well. So anyway, high quality material, really nice if you're looking for something that's just going to prevent your carpets from moving around. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video review.